right, Sheila, what are we doing?
We are going to stain the top of this table. It has been sanded down with 80 grit and then all the way up to 220, and it's smooth and it's ready to go.
Okay, what are we going to do to the top of this?
We're gonna stain it.
I know, what color?
I'm not telling you.
Oh. All right, so we've got a brush that's like a little spongy.
A black foam craft brush that we'll throw away when we're done.
Okay,
Here we go.
what's our technique? Just back and forth.
Just slap it on. This is an oak grain, which is a heavy grain. So I will go at it one direction to make sure it gets in the grain. And then I will come at it in the direction of the grain of the wood.
Okay. Do we have a color?
This is Flagstone by Varathane.
Oh, it's stinky.
It's a little bit smelly.
Okay, we put them in little yogurt containers because why?
We don't want to contaminate the whole can of stain with our brush that might accidentally get something on it.
That's a good idea. We are going to use a shop paper towel. So just something that doesn't have any lint on it. And we're just gonna wipe off the excess of the stain. And just kind of working it in there. See how it's kind of just pulling up all that extra, and then it really shows the grain.
You want to get that excess off, because if you don't, when it's drying, it will dry sticky because there's too much on here and it's just sitting on top of the wood.